Welcome to SimpliSQL. In this energetic walkthrough, we will explore every important control, use real data, build a reusable dashboard and workflow, generate SQL with local AI, and produce an audited output package. Let's jump in. Getting started is simple. Visit simplitics.in and find SimpliSQL V2. Click its download button to get the zip file. When the download finishes, extract the zip to a folder where you want to run the application. To install an offline AI model, return to the SimpliSQL V2 card and click Source. This opens the V2 release page on GitHub. Scroll to the end of the release notes, where the recommended model download link is provided. At the bottom of the GitHub V2 release page, find the Gemma model download link above the Assets section. Click that link and wait for the GGUF model file to finish downloading. Open the extracted SimpliSQL folder. Enter _internal, then open the model folder, and paste the downloaded GGUF model file there. This exact folder path allows SimpliSQL to find the offline model during startup. Windows may block an application downloaded from the internet. If that happens, right-click the SimpliSQL application, choose Properties, select Unblock near the bottom of the General tab, click Apply, and then open the app again. Now open SimpliSQL. The application automatically detects and loads the model from the model folder. Loading can take a moment, and a confirmation pop-up appears as soon as the local AI model is ready. You can then begin working completely offline. First, click the Files button. From here you can upload multiple files, delete an imported dataset, or refresh the file list. Upload supports CSV, Excel, XML, text, JSON, and zip archives, so one workspace can handle a wide range of source formats. I am uploading a sample sales CSV. Before loading, SimpliSQL lets me confirm the delimiter, skip header or metadata rows, and choose whether malformed records should be ignored. The file is converted to Parquet with DuckDB and becomes query ready. SimpliSQL immediately displays the detected column names and types, so you can verify the structure before analysis. Click View to open Advanced Data Load. Choose the table, preview row count, required columns, and an optional Where clause. This gives you precise control before bringing data into the preview grid. The preview can be maximized to use the full window, then restored to the split SQL and results layout. You can also press Ctrl+M, which is useful when inspecting wide tables or many columns. Here I filtered store type to online and applied the filter. The green page button exports the current filtered view to CSV. Queries. This blue Save control preserves the visible data as a Parquet table. That means a filtered or prepared view can immediately become a reusable query source inside SimpliSQL. Uploading is optional when you only need a direct query. DuckDB can read a system file in place with functions such as read CSV auto, read Parquet, and read JSON auto. Here the SQL editor queries the sample CSV directly from its Windows path. Click Queries to reveal query templates, SQL syntax helper, save query, and delete query. Templates and syntax guidance make exploration faster, while saved queries support repeatable reporting. Check SQL validates the statement before execution. Run then displays the result on the right. This example groups sales by store type and calculates both transaction counts and total sales. Click Data Tools to see Get Distinct, Aggregate, Pivot Table, Split by Column, Join Tables, and Fix CSV columns. These guided tools reduce the amount of SQL you need to write manually. In Aggregate, I group by store type, some gross sales, and enable Save as Dashboard View. This checkbox turns a guided calculation into a reusable dashboard asset. Now click Dashboard. YouTube sales by store appears in the dashboard list and can be opened or deleted. This is the direct connection between data tools and reusable reporting. Click Workflows to reveal Create Workflow, Manage Workflows, and Run Workflow. Workflows package repeatable data preparation and reporting steps into a process you can use again. Create Workflow opens the Visual Workflow Builder. Enter a name and description, add multiple steps, edit or delete them, reorder their execution, and save the completed workflow. When adding a step, choose its type and name, select the source table, and optionally provide a table name. This load data step is ready to use the sales table we created earlier. Click the purple AI button to open the local assistant. It can generate DuckDB SQL, explain syntax, improve queries, and support analysis without sending your data to an external service. In Settings, select the current SQL pad and one or more uploaded tables as context. Compatible offline model files can be downloaded separately and placed in the Models folder. SimpliSQL can then load an available local model and even save it as the default. I include the current SQL query and select YouTube sales demo. Apply selection confirms the chosen table, giving the model relevant schema and query context for a more accurate answer. In chat, I ask the model to write a DuckDB query showing total gross sales by payment method, highest first. Then I click send and let the offline model work. The model returns a complete grouped and sorted SQL query. With autopaste enabled, the generated SQL also appears in the editor behind the assistant. Copy last SQL is available when you prefer manual control. Run to store does more than save query results. Choose the destination folder and output name, and SimpliSQL creates the CSV directly without rendering every row in the grid. Success! The output package includes the results CSV and a supporting PDF audit document. The confirmation records the run ID, exported row count, file names, execution time, timestamp, and storage location for traceable delivery. SimpliSQL gives you multiple paths from source to insight, upload many file formats or query system files directly, preview and save prepared tables, automate workflows, build reusable dashboards, use offline AI, and deliver audited outputs. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this.